Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing. Well, you don't see the box because it's right behind me. We're doing a mattress unboxing today. This is a full mattress by Inofia, 8-inch memory foam. I grabbed it from Amazon for about $260. It's got a 10-year warranty. So here is the mattress right here in this box. So I'm going to try to be setting this up here. So let's check it out in here. Let's tape on here. All right, let's see what we're working with on top. So here's the mattress in here. It's all in this box, rolled up in this bag here. So I'm going to rip this box open. Pull this out here. Well, that's cool. Comes with a little razor cutter for the bag. All right. Kind of a pretty looking mattress. Maybe I can haul it out of there now or rip it open all the way. All right. There we go. So here it is. Not seeing any instructions in here. So let's see. No instructions that I can see here. I'm assuming then that I just cut it open, and it does say here allow up to 72 hours for mattress to expand and potential odor to dissipate. So I'm going to go throw this up on the bed and then show you how to undo it there. Maybe do a little time lapse and show it expanding or whatever. So that's it for the box there, my friends. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You guys can check it out. And I'm going to go throw this up on the bed now and show you how to do that. So we'll be